Time and again, this question pops up. In last 2 decades, I would have answered this question at least 2000 times, if not less. And yet, the question comes again and again to me. In my webinars, in my seminars, in my YouTube channel comments, on social media, even on WhatsApp and on phone call, of course. Does NLP work? Well, today, once again, I'm going to answer this in a little short video. I'm sure you also want to know. Does NLP work? Here it comes. Well, as I understand, NLP is an art. It is a skill. NLP talks about the relationship between language and neurology. It is the study of subjectivity of human behavior. So, it is not whether NLP works or not. It is about the artist who is using NLP. NLP is a system. It's a study of language, which of course churns out lots of techniques also, but primarily is the study of language and its relationship with neurology. Now, the question is, are you becoming that artist who can make language work for you? Are you ready to use language to get the life you want and maybe help many others? If so, NLP is going to work for you. Yes, NLP is an art and it works for the artist. It works with the artist. Now, it is up to you how you want to take it. You can choose to become that artist of NLP, or you can keep thinking about it. Well, in both cases, you're using language. And when you're using language, and if language is getting you the life you want, if language is ready to change your mindset in order to get the results, then NLP works for you. The question is, how does it work? Well, the study helps you determine how do we play with, reduce, sometimes increase the filters that are blinding us to see if they're reality. And that's where the neurology shifts. Are you that shift maker? Are you the change maker? If you really want to study NLP, I will tell something about it. I have been teaching NLP for about 2 decades now, and my company, NLP Authority, has its offices in Gurgaon, New Delhi, and Goa. And we teach NLP both online and offline. Every alternate month, there is a batch which could be either online and offline. What's more, anybody who joins an online batch can join the offline batch almost free of cost. And anybody who joins the in-person batch can of course come in the online batch almost free of cost. So you get the best of both worlds. Are you ready to take the best of both worlds and master the art of NLP? Then NLP Authority is for you. Check out the website nlpauthority.com and see how it's going to benefit you. And yes, to answer in short, NLP works in the hand of artists. Now it's up to you what you're going to choose. Also, let me suggest that you can subscribe to this channel and gift yourself this subscription because you want to get the latest information on NLP and the art of self-development. Also, if you like my explanation, press the like button. Let's stay engaged. And as we do so, I'm going to see you soon. Let's meet around. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal. Thank you.